Last video, we talked about non-digital marketing strategies. Needless to say, it was an interesting video, and you are welcome to watch it here if you haven't seen it as yet. The ideas I gave within that video are invaluable to small businesses that are willing to market outside of the box, albeit not too much outside. Today, however, I want to talk about what everybody else is talking about. I want to talk about digital marketing strategies small businesses can use in 2022. You might already be aware of the options that are there. If you are, you know there are many and they could easily number over a dozen. For this video, however, we'll discuss five. Yes, you heard me correctly. We'll be considering five digital marketing strategies small businesses can implement wherever it is that there are in their business strategy. These are the five must haves. Okay, so let's do this. Strategy one is social media marketing. Now, this strategy could easily be a video on its own as a result of how broad it is. And I'm suspecting you already have some ideas on how it works. But if you don't, here's a quick definition. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or a service. There are different ways this promotion can be made, but for now, let's assume you have an engaged community you promote your brand or products through. Okay, let's assume too that you are on all the major platforms, i.e., Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. I know there are more, but we'll focus on the names we often default to whenever we think social media. In order for your social media strategy to work, there are some things you'd benefit from knowing. The first is this. What are the business goals or KPIs that you have for your socials? Is it brand awareness, sales, retention, and loyalty, customer service, recruitment, or reputation management? Two, who makes up the largest demographics on either platforms? Did you know that those who visit Snapchat the most aren't the ones using Instagram? And the same holds true for the Meta owned brands. Those frequenting Facebook aren't the same as those frequenting Instagram. You would benefit from knowing these information. Three, what post format does best on each channel? Obviously, you cannot upload a still image to YouTube like you would to Instagram. An obvious point, I know, but this knowledge, we need it in order to keep our planning and content strategy, even launches, in an ideal place. Four, what are your current amplification, conversation, applause, and engagement rates? Do they need improving? Not sure what these are? I've linked an article in the description that defines and explains each with some degree of detail. Okay, I have to stop here, but there's a lot to know about social media marketing. Let me know in the comments if you would want me to do a tutorial on the subject matter alone. Strategy 2, email marketing. So, if no one told you this before, I'm happy to be the first to say it to you, and it is this. Email marketing is a key life force for your digital marketing strategy. It's the contact list or address book that you use to update and interact with your leads. How to generate the list you will need for your email marketing is relatively straightforward. You give away a lead magnet or something of that kind and ask for the email address in exchange. Say, for instance, I'm targeting small businesses that are struggling with their social media accounts. I could prepare 8 basic and editable posts on Canva that I could give away in exchange for the business owner's email address. And in the future, when I'm doing a launch they are likely to be interested in, I could include them in my email marketing campaign. How to create and launch a campaign, the best platforms to use for this strategy, and the copy to include are all things I cannot say in this introductory video because they each will take more time than your attention would allow. If you want me, however, to do a more detailed video on the topic, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to accommodate your request. Okay, strategy 3. Okay? 3. Content marketing. Now, gone are the days when we could ask a client or customer for something without having given them valuable information previously. That's what content marketing is, and it's a part of the inbound approach to lead acquisition. Let me explain with a representative case. Okay, this is Jill, and she's selling her services as a business analyst on social media through ads, but no one is showing interest, and she was about to give up when she got a call from a friend who told her to build a community where she gives away free and invaluable information to show herself as a thought leader in the space before she launches again. Following this advice gave Jill 10 new clients during her second launch. How content marketing works is by creating and sharing online materials like videos, blogs, and social media posts that stimulate interest in a brand's products or services without an explicit promotion. It's what thousands of YouTubers do when they build a community through their content and later sell merch or services to the said community without difficulty. Strategy number 4, digital ads. Digital ads include but are not limited to social media advertising platforms. The ad formats on these websites are photos and video ads, shopping ads, lead ads, message ads, story ads, and more. Each platform has its own policies, and it would be good to acquaint yourself with them. The purpose of using these types of ads are varied and brand specific, but the most common reasons are these: to drive traffic, to drive engagement, to increase sales, build brand awareness, or to promote the social account the ad is being launched from. Another digital advertising platform of renown is Google and its website partners. There are a number of ad options that you can have access to upon this platform. They are video, search, app, and display. Next! Okay, I'm sorry, but I can't offer the detail you might want in a video that's already longer than I wanted. So we're going to go to strategy number 5. Strategy number 5 is search engine marketing. Now, this last strategy is critical for small businesses because it gives them the opportunity to compete with larger companies by being more visible in search engine results. How they achieve this is by doing keyword research and voluming, building internal website links, and optimizing content to produce high quality and relevant information. And here is content marketing again. The industry term that summarizes all of what was named previously is abbreviated SEO, or in length is search engine optimization. And it basically helps your brand to rank higher in search. And there you have it. The 5 digital marketing strategies that small businesses anywhere can implement in 2022. If there's a follow-up video you'd like to see on here, please tell me about it in the comments section. Don't forget to check out the article in the description, and I'll see you in the next video, fellow bosses and prospective CEOs. Bye.